Dear viewers, today's topic is tea. T-E-A-T. I often say that a day without tea is like a day without sunshine. Did you get it? And you know how important tea is to us. Now, have you thought over it? Why is tea so important to us? Well, there are in this part of the world, subcontinent, where the summers are very hot, we still drink a lot of tea. Now, what does tea contain? This is the essential part of an ingredient of tea is caffeine. Caffeine is a drug that makes you feel good, awake and active. So that is why we say that a cup of hot tea makes your day good. You become more energetic and you do your routine work actively. And even in the offices, tea is served in different timings. So there too, you are enjoying tea. Now, you know what? I was reading somewhere and I was taken aback that England is the largest consumer of tea. What I was thinking was that we consume a lot of tea. 2-3 times a day, every day. We cannot live without it. How come then England is the largest consumer of tea? It imports tea from the tea-grown countries like Sri Lanka, Kenya, India. In India, Assam is well known for its tea. And there is a place in Assam which is known as Darjeeling, which receives the highest rainfall in the world. There are tea gardens on that hilly place and the water slips down. It receives the heaviest rainfall in the world. Now what is the difference that is there with tea and coffee? Tea contains greater amount of caffeine. Caffeine is a drug that makes you feel active, awake and good. So, coffee contains a large amount of caffeine, whereas tea contains less amount of caffeine. That is why we say that in European countries, in colder countries, they drink a lot of coffee. And in this part of the world, tea. And well, tea is an essential part of your breakfast or of one's breakfast. If there is no tea on the table, you don't feel good. Even if they are jammed and butter and sliced and biscuits and other things on the table, there must be a cup of hot tea too, because a cup of hot tea makes your day good, you become more energetic, you become more active and you become more awake. So that is what the drug caffeine does. But you must not consume it in large quantity. I tell you one thing. Coffee contains greater amount of caffeine, tea contains lesser amount of caffeine. Now please do let me know whether you prefer coffee over tea or tea over coffee. Or if you have anything to add to this, whatever I have said, if you want to add something to it, you're welcome. And if you want to give your comments, please put it in my comment box. I'll be honored. So have a nice cup of tea, enjoy your day and be active. and take good care of yourself as well of others. Bye bye. Have a good time.